Hi everyone, you are back on the channel SmartMKT is. In today's video, I'm going to show you a feature. It's new and old, but you still need a lot. It's about a Facebook account. Because at the moment, you still need a lot. That's because when you use it, that social network, then you build a channel on any platform. The interactive part. Now after we build the channel, it's a very important that the platform recognizes as the page. This group or this channel is. There are many interactions, there are many viewers that it can propose to its foundation A. That's the part. It's very important. It's because of accounts need. It never does. It never goes away. Just brothers. Do you have the right tools or not? Today I introduced you. This is a new version of the SmartMKT software. This is the V2 version. Something has changed. Then I will introduce you. So this is the SmartMKT. It's going to contain it just like the A. A complete list of all the software is here. All the software will be in here. If you buy any software, you can inbox me. Installation support and guidance for brothers. Let's go back to the main topic. So this is what I'm going to show you today. This V version to this version is. It is different from the previous version. The first is a technology update. If I don't update this section, the technology going backwards is almost like going. And at a time when Facebook, its scanning account very strongly. If you don't update it, you should definitely go. This is about software here. Guys, look to the left. It's basically the same thing. Management. Account. Make friends and share a lot of stories. Unlock this. Take care of this account. The account function, you understand. It can change. These are my clone nicknames. Account. Well known or a nick, whatever you want. On Facebook, it's almost like cloning that account. Well, it's most like that account, and it's more like real user. That's it. A way for you to raise account. Real user. He unlocked the account. That's the live stream of this history stuff. Then basically, this one is different from the old one. It's different in the core technology. Then, that. Activate. Accounts by page a lot. There's integration on top of AI if you have kids. If you have a V4 or GPT chat, you can install it here. It's integrated into the software. Like account or comment on that. Well, it's going to use AI to get it to respond. I'm talking badly about the part. This version is different from the old version. It's about technology. It's about the Chrome core. If you do it, you know. This shit is so important. IP and equipment. Your IP can be fake from the old days. It only matters if I have a clean IP to fake or not. Since the old days, you've been able to do that. The next one is that device. So this is what Finland's asking you. Account on a Chrome. It's easier to die on a phone. This version has fixed that. It's that the core of the software has its own core. I know that in the past you would. Software. Usually, it's going to use this hack. This is the original hack. But I think this version is the best. Steal that separately. This nick login. It's like a separate device. It should be that it will prevent the belt from being swept. So that's the different part of this version. Update more like that. But the price remains the same. It's still for $1,000,000 a year. All the supports are the same. I don't have account watching this video. It's optimized a lot in terms of raising account for you. It's like a real user. There are many other features. Millet. if you need it. Installation or need further advice, need support, then inbox me through my phone number. The hotline is below. Thank you for watching and see you in the future. Next video.